Guys, there is one specific pattern that has been playing out in every bear market previously, and in January specifically. It has happened 2023, it happened 2019, 2015, and also 2012. Guys, this is something you will want to pay attention to. I'm going to explain this. This gives us a good clue as to what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Have we hit the bottom already? Well, stick around for that. I am also going to continue to talk about, in 3 days, we're going to see something massive actually happen. I do have some updates on that. If you watched my videos from a few days ago, you will know what I talked about. If you didn't, well, stick around because in 3 days, something massive is going to happen. I'm also going to go through what the Fed actually said yesterday and what we can expect moving forward. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Let's get straight into it. So on the daily time frame, we are still here above the orange box, above the orange line. And you can also see that we failed to break through this vital level of resistance here for Bitcoin here. So yes, you can see that we are at a similar point as we've been here recently. We're consolidating here. Let's see if we can break this level at 16, we'll call it $17,000. Then the next level of resistance really is the big one up here at $18,000. So we're keeping an eye on this. I'm not ruling out us bouncing like this either. So pay attention to that, guys. Also, for traditional markets, not much has happened. For traditional markets, we're still going sideways here. But now let's talk about this massive pattern that has been actually playing out in the bear markets previously. And what you have here is actually the green line. Well, you obviously have the Bitcoin price, but the green line is the 350 weekly moving average. The blue line is the same times 2. So this is just a multiple of 2 here. So yeah, the blue line is whatever this price is at the green line times 2. And what you can see, let us go back in history here. This is a trading chart. And I thought that this was very interesting because what you can see is that in January, after a massive bear market, in general, we tend to be inside of the 350-week moving average, which acts as massive support, and the multiple, the blue line up here. You can see this January. And once we cleared this, we went into the rest of the year. We did see a massive bull market for Bitcoin. So, you know, there's a lot of different indicators actually pointing towards us having hit the bottom already and how we are going to sooner rather than later start to go up. So you can see the same thing right here in 2015. After the massive bear market, we did hit this 350-week moving average here. We consolidated in between the blue and the green line here for a while, and then finally we did take off. In 2019, you can see that we didn't go all the way down to the green line, but instead we consolidated still in January. We were at this specific point between the 350-week moving average and this blue line, which is the 2x multiple of the same. So every January after a bear market, we have consolidated for a bit in between these two lines, and then we have been taken off. And you can see that we are at, well, right at actually the 350-week moving average right here. This would tell us, if history is repeating, that we could see some consolidation in between the green line here and the blue line, which is currently sitting at about $30,000. So this is something interesting, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, do you think that this 350-week moving average is going to hold like it has been doing previously? Let me know that down in the comment section. And also make sure to sign up for OKEx. We still have a little while left if you want to claim this 15% lifetime discount and up to $40,000. Use this link right here. This is the link to use to claim these benefits. Time is running out, so make sure to do it as soon as possible. And just like I said, there's massive things happening on the 8th of January. If you watched my video from 2 days ago, you will know that the CEO of Gemini came out and said that Genesis Trading need to find a solution for the $900 million which Gemini are owed from Genesis Trading, or else Gemini are going to do something. So there's only 3 days left. So they have come out, Genesis Trading have come out and said that they need more time. They need more time to sort out their finances. This is a complex situation. This is what they said. While we are committed to moving as quickly as possible, this is a very complex process that will take some additional time. But we know that Gemini, the co-founder of Gemini, Cameron Winklevoss, he said that they have until the 8th of January to come up with a solution. So we will see what is going to happen on the 8th, guys. Is Gemini going to push Genesis Trading into bankruptcy? That remains to be seen. But no matter what happens, we're most likely going to see something big in the days of the 8th or moving into like the 9th or 10th or whatever action Gemini are going to take to try to get these $900 million back to their customers. So lastly, I want to talk about what the Fed talked about yesterday. This is what they said. The Fed said during the meeting yesterday that participants welcomed inflation drops in October and November, but concurred it would take substantially more evidence of progress to be confident on a sustained downward path. Also, what they said is that they see further rate increases necessary during this year. They also said that they are not expecting any rate cuts in 2023, and also they emphasized need for flexibility and optionality. So they are going to take it as it comes, but yeah, they are saying that they are not going to cut the rates in 2023. So we're keeping an eye on that, guys. But remember, when everyone are expecting something, we need to try to think a little bit different in order to make some big profits. So I still think that we are going to see the Bitcoin price start to have a better market by the end or mid 2023. So we will see, guys. I will keep you updated as usual. Guys, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.